These are the eastern barred bandicoots. They are native Australian marsupials that eat insects and forage in the grasslands. But they are in trouble. Foxes prey on the defenceless bandicoots, and humans destroy their habitat through deforestation for farming and building. The bandicoots are now critically endangered and could become extinct without our help. So we built them a safe zone, keeping the bandicoots inside and the foxes out. But the bandicoots are populating too quickly, and their sites are getting overcrowded. But wait a second, there are a few words that need some explaining. What is a bandicoot? A bandicoot is a small marsupial, about the size of a rabbit. It has a short tail and a long nose to help find food. Can you imagine what that looks like? They live for about 3 years, and they are nocturnal. This means they are awake during the night and sleep during the day. There are only 400 of these little guys left alive, and they all live in captivity. With so few of them, we call them endangered, meaning nearly all of their population are gone. So we know that they are endangered, but why? There are two main reasons. Humans are destroying their habitat, where they live, eat and breed. We clear the grassland that they live on so we can build farms and towns. This means the bandicoots have no home, no food, and nowhere to reproduce. This causes the bandicoots to become very vulnerable to animals like foxes, who are predators. They hunt the bandicoots in order to eat them. So scientists decide to find a new habitat for the bandicoots to live. They chose 18, they attached trackers to them, and took them to an island called French Island. And here, these bandicoots started living. Welcome to French Island. It is perfectly suited for the eastern barred bandicoots. It has grasslands, insects, and there are no foxes. Can you think of any problems? Some of the bandicoots have been found, and they're not feeling well. It's the feral cats. They roam French Island. These cats carry a disease called toxoplasmosis. This disease is spread through cat feces, and when the bandicoots forage for food in the soil, toxoplasmosis can infect the bandicoots. When infected, it takes the disease 2 weeks to kill the bandicoot. But some of the bandicoots are thriving on the island. After 4 months, scientists decide to remove the bandicoots from the island and evaluate their work. At the beginning, there were 18 bandicoots released onto the island. Only 7 survived longer than 2 months. 2 were eaten by predators, 4 contracted toxoplasmosis, and 2 passed away from it. 4 bandicoots had unknown causes of death, and 1 bandicoot was lost. So what did the scientists learn about the bandicoot's potential new habitat? A lot. There were 4 main questions about the bandicoot's new home that the scientists were looking at. Was the habitat suitable? What were the survival rates? What were the causes of death? And how big was the impact of the cats? Scientists concluded that if the number of feral cats was decreased and the bandicoots were placed in similar habitats to French Island, the survival rates would be higher. This means they're able to look for similar environments to put the bandicoots in. Now scientists need people like you to help find places like French Island. Can you think of anywhere? Can you think of a safe area for the bandicoots to live?